Hey guys, it's Pop Scrap here. Today I'm scrapping out this DVD player's Bosch. Pretty good make back in this day when it was working. I'm not expecting a whole lot out of this. What I'm expecting out of this is a half decent gold board for gold recovery. Bit of cable, maybe a couple of transformers in it, a little bit of copper wire, and little bits of wire inside. We'll see what they're like. They're all different when you open them up and stuff. Hopefully the camera is good out here. The lighting is not too bad for you. So just cut the power cable off. Bit of wire for stripping for copper. Put that up there in the container first. Now I'm going to do all these Phillips screws. Not too many in it. Couple of screws here on top. Try and do them all. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. The way I have to undo all these screws is to release the board inside. I want to say a big thank you to all my new subscribers again, and to my old, and not my old, but my subscribers I have at the minute. Thanks for all the commenting, the liking, the videos and stuff like that. Very good, thank you. So this should be it. One more here. Now that should be off now. Hope we can get inside it. There we go. Now, as you can see, there's not much in it. Power board. We have the brains of the board really, and the disk drive, which what reads the disk. I won't be taking that out. I'll be taking the power board, just a couple of transformers off it, and that's basically it, guys. What I'll be taking off that. I'll take this off for scrap and Irish. So we'll just undo a few more screws and see what we get. Couple of bits of wire. Happy with all that wire. Take that all away. There should be a bit of brass that's on this. Yep. I always take these off anymore now, guys. When I have time to, I haven't got too much scrap, I always take the bit of brass off. All adds up, believe me. Hope the lighting is not too bad here. You'll get to see some of what I'm doing. So a bit more wire. Now this circuit board should be off. There's one more screw. There's one more screw holding it on. And typical, two more here I can get. Now that's that off. Now we have memory chips, IC chips, and a nice flat pack. Couple of nice bits on it for them. Put that with the rest for them. And that's my wire. Now on this power board, all I'd be taking off this power board is, as you'll see here now, is the transformers. Pulling them off for myself. Another one, small one. There's an IC chip here, so can I get it off? Small little IC. Here we go. Tiny little IC chip. Bit more wire in here off the power board. Here we go, bit of more wire. And that's basically it, guys, on this board. I'll bring you down here a bit closer to you. As you can see, sorry about the lighting now again. The power board, I've got everything off that I need. There's nothing in this backboard here. This drive, there's nothing really here motor wise or anything for me to take off, or no brass here. And yeah, that's it. A quick little scrap out. Interesting. Some of them vary in different types, so like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Thanks very much. Bye.